What's going on, guys? So today we're here at Smashburger. I found out today is National Keto Day, January 5th, which was started last year by a supplement company. And some of the fast casual and fast food chains have decided to create promotions based around some of their keto offerings. Keto offerings have become more and more popular over the years, especially in the last year, mainly in burger places where it's easy just to substitute lettuce for a bun, still charge you the same price. Still ends up being a bit expensive, but with a deal today, we're going to see how much it costs and see if you should stop by Smashburger for lunch or for dinner today. I think we actually got here before it officially opened. I have not seen an empty Smashburger as of yet. Menus are not out yet, so we're just going to sit here and wait until we can order, and I'll show you how the food comes out. So we got the order done. I'll be bringing it out shortly. Order the bacon double smash, foregoing anything except the beef and the bacon for that one. Then we'll try the truffle mushroom double. It usually comes with mayonnaise and Swiss cheese and a mushroom topping, so we've got it without the mayo. We're gonna see how it is. All right, we got the food here, so let's take a look. This is the bacon double that I ordered without the cheese. Looking very good. The quality of the bacon is good. Meat patties are always tasting good here. Here is the Swiss cheese mushroom double patty creation here. And so as you see, this is called the Keto Mushroom Double. This is how they bill it. You order any double burger, and for the Keto BOGO, you get the free truffle mushroom double. So let me know what you guys think. Looks like a pretty good deal here today. Usually it's a lot more expensive, but thanks to the National Keto Day, we can eat here at a much more affordable price. Thanks for watching.